In the early dawn of the 20th century, a time of industrial revolution and technological advancement, the world witnessed the birth of what was then the largest moving object ever made by the hands of man, the RMS Titanic. Conceived by the ambitious minds at White Star Line, this gargantuan ship was a symbol of human ingenuity, embodying the optimism of an era that believed in the power of human achievement. The Titanic, a ship of dreams, set sail on her maiden voyage from Southampton to New York on April 10, 1912. She was a floating city, boasting luxuries unheard of at the time. From opulent staterooms to a grand staircase, even a swimming pool, the Titanic was a marvel of Edwardian elegance. However, beneath the glamour and the shine lay the seeds of a tragedy waiting to unfold. The Titanic, despite its size and sophistication, carried only 20 lifeboats, enough for half of her passengers. This was a reflection of the misplaced confidence of the era, a belief that the ship was practically unsinkable. 4 days into the voyage, on the night of April 14th, the Titanic struck an iceberg in the North Atlantic. The collision tore a hole in the ship's hull, and water began flooding the compartments. The unsinkable ship was sinking. In the early hours of April 15th, chaos reigned. The insufficient lifeboats were quickly filled, leaving over 1,000 people still on board. The band played on, a haunting melody to accompany the sinking ship. Within 3 hours of striking the iceberg, the Titanic slipped beneath the icy waves, taking with her more than 1,500 souls. The sinking of the Titanic was a profound shock to the world. It marked the end of an era of optimism and ushered in a century marked by caution and respect for the power of nature. The tragedy served as a stark reminder of the fallibility of human confidence and the dire consequences of complacency. In the aftermath, maritime safety regulations underwent significant changes. The number of lifeboats required on passenger ships increased, and the International Ice Patrol was established to monitor iceberg activity in the North Atlantic. The Titanic, in her demise, left a lasting legacy. A story of human ambition, tragedy, and the enduring power of the human spirit. A reminder that even in the face of the greatest feats of engineering, nature holds the ultimate power. As we reflect on this event, we are reminded of our own vulnerability and the importance of humility in our constant quest for progress. Please click the subscribe button below and don't forget to hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our latest updates. Feel free to leave your comments, questions, or suggestions. We love hearing from our viewers.